Hello everyone, I'm Varshini. As a part of my cloud computing course, I have developed a web chat application for my mini project. I will take you all through the introduction, the cloud platform I have used, objectives, the methodologies used, and I will summarize it at the end. I'm pretty sure everybody knows what's a chat application. It allows users to communicate in real time using easily accessible web interfaces. In my web app, the users can log in via their Google account for authentication purposes and they can send text messages in different groups or rooms that's already present, or they can create a new group of their choice and give it a name that they like. My application is very similar to WhatsApp web interface. The cloud platform that I have used is Firebase. It's a platform that's developed by Google for creating mobile and web applications. Firebase hosting provides fast and secure hosting for web app, static and dynamic content, and microservices. Supports all kinds of hosting of content from CSS and HTML files to APIs. It automatically provisions SSL certificates for all the domains that's provided by Firebase for our project so that the content is served securely. SSL, it's nothing but it activates the HTTPS protocol and it allows secure connections from a web server to a browser. On the left, you can see the different services that's provided by Firebase, like authentication, storage, or even machine learning functions. For my web app, I'm using the authentication service, Cloud Firestore, and the Firebase hosting. For authentication purposes, I'm using Google Authentication. So those with a Google account can log into my application. So what does the Cloud Firestore have? For my chat application, this is how my Cloud Firestore looks. You can see on the right side. As I told you, the web chat has several rooms. And for now, let's say I have 4 different rooms, which are obviously in encrypted format. And each of the room has a collection called messages and a field name called dev room, nothing but developer's room. So let's get into it further. So these are the different messages that's sent inside the dev room group. And each message has 3 different fields. Message that has been sent, the name of the person who sent the message, and the timestamp when and what time and what date it was sent. The Firebase hosting provides me with the domains to access my web application. In this case, the domains that I was given are amazechat.webapp and amazechat.firebaseapp.com. The objectives for my web application is to have a user-friendly system to get a similar interface like WhatsApp web to consist of multiple chat groups, authentication of users via Google login, to display the text delivery time and date along with a message. The methodologies that I have used. For the front end, I've made use of React.js. It's a front end library that runs in the browser. It's very suitable for single page applications. And of course, CSS to have a very attractive layout. For the backend, I've used Cloud Firestore. As I had explained its structure previously, it's a NoSQL database that Android and web apps can easily access directly via native SDKs. And as I mentioned earlier, my web app is hosted on Firebase. So the benefits of hosting this application on cloud includes scalability, better performance, reduced cost, and disaster recovery. The chat application can be accessed from anywhere at any time. It's user friendly and it also includes Google authentication for safety purposes. I will now show you the demo for my application. As I mentioned before, I have typed in the domain name in the URL bar. Now I'm gonna sign in with my Google account. So on this browser, I've already logged in. So it's gonna take me directly to the application. So these are the different rooms that are already present. Like this is how the group is gonna look when different people message in the group. Let me demonstrate creating a group. So I will name the room as room 1. Okay. So this is my room 1 that's been created. I will message in room 1 saying hello there. Let's see who we have on the other side that's gonna message us. Oh, that's my sister there. Let me ask her how is she doing. So that was the flow of the web chat application. You can see the date and the time that I've sent the message. And you can see the same for the other person as well. You can also see the last scene, which is same as the most recent message. So that's all the groups. This is inside a group and this is a chat that's happening. This is about the entire project. I hope everyone liked it. Thank you so much for viewing it. Bye.